viewers in the chat. What? I am so popular. I'm not ready. I'm not ready for this fame. I'm not ready. Wearing black gloves. You hear that? Did you hear that like smack? I think people like that, right? Bend over and cough. Watch my viewer count go way, like, spirals way. Why? What do you mean? It's a collaborative effort. You can't mess it up if you mess it up together. Oh, my viewer count went back to 2. I'm dying. Tanya, I scared them off. They're like, this girl. Bend over and cough is crazy. Yes, it is. And I am. I got stories. Someone give me a topic and I could go off on a topic for a long time, probably. I think this could be a place where I practice the art of improv.